Here is the difference between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Different points are listed here. How eukaryotic cell is different from prokaryotic cell. Size of eukaryotic cell is 5 to 100 micrometer and prokaryotic cell has size 1 to 10 micrometer. Eukaryotic cell has more than one chromosome and in prokaryotic cell only one chromosome is present. Nucleus is bound by nuclear membrane and distinct nucleolus and nucleoplasm is present in eukaryotic cell, and prokaryotic cell has nucleoid resembling nucleus. Means true nucleus, distinct nucleus is not well defined in case of prokaryotic cells. The nucleus uh, is in the form of nucleoid which resembles like nucleus. Mitochondria and plastids are present in eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell lacks membrane bound cell organelles. Means prokaryotic cells do not possess membrane bound cell organelles. Examples of eukaryotic cell: it is present in highly evolved unicellular and multicellular plants and animals. Example of prokaryotic cell: bacteria. Children, you write down this table which shows distinction between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Differentiate between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. If such type of question comes in exam, you will be able to write the points. Useful apparatus for studying cell: microscope, forceps, glass slide, cover slip. All the necessary apparatus for studying cells are shown here. Here is the memory map or concept map. Components of cell. First component of cell is cell wall. Cell wall, it is elastic, strong coat. Functions of cell wall: to support, to protect the cell and to prevent the entry of excess water in the cell. Cell membrane or plasma membrane, it is thin, fragile and elastic covering. It is selectively permeable membrane and which is useful for storage of water, salts and oxygen molecule, oxygen content, and it maintains homeostasis condition. Cytoplasm is a material bounded by plasma membrane. Many cell organelles and nucleus are present in cytoplasm. Cell organelles are there. Cell organelles, actually they are organs of the cell and they are specialized subunits with specific cellular function. Each organelle has its own lipoprotein membrane. Except nucleus and chloroplast, all other organelles can be seen only with electron microscope. Endoplasmic reticulum, net-like structure having interconnected miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. Framework of cell is endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in conduction of proteins. Next cell organ is Golgi complex. It is also called as packaging department of cell. It modifies, sorts, packs and dispatches materials synthesized in the cell to plasma membrane, lysosome, etc. Lysosomes are called as suicide bags of the cell. Simple single membrane bound sacs with digestive enzymes are there in lysosomes. old damaged cells are digested by bursting and releasing the digestive enzymes, and they digest their own cells. That's why lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell. Mitochondria are called as powerhouse of cell. Oxidation of carbohydrates and fats in the cell takes place with the help of enzymes. Energy is released, and released energy is stored in the form of ATP in mitochondria. Therefore, it is called as powerhouse of cell. Vacuoles, the function of vacuole is that they act like a storage sacs. They store metabolic byproducts and end products such as glycogen, proteins, water, etc. Plastids. It is a machinery for photosynthesis process. Plastids are of three types. Three types of plastids are there. Chloroplast, that is green pigment. Chlorophyll converts solar energy to chemical energy during photosynthesis. Chromoplast, colored plastids, they give different colors to flowers and fruits. Leucoplast, white or colorless plastids, synthesis and storage of food like starch, oils and proteins. Nucleus, it is covered by double layered porous membrane. One round nucleolus is present. Network of chromatin fibers are there. Short, thick chromosomes are formed from chromatin fibers by condensation at the time of cell division. Functional segments on chromosomes are called genes. Nucleus controls all the metabolic activities of cell and cell division. Transmission of hereditary characteristics from parents to offspring takes place through chromosomes. So we have revised the whole chapter through this memory map or concept map, and we have completed lesson number 10. We will discuss the exercise based on this lesson in next video. Thank you.